goodness in him and doing the right thing. And I like to think that I can draw on that from my own life. And he, I think there's a lot of Jack that kind of, that was sort of close to me in a way, but without, there's some stuff he had to say where, and I ran with it. And one time I really elaborated on it in a take, and it's kind of in the movie, I think, where, I really just don't like the idea of having kids. And, because I think in improv, you end up playing like kind of yourself in a way, and you take a bit of comfort in that, but a sort of heightened version of yourself. But then there's some stuff that was way, I always knew I wanted to have kids. I love having kids. 3 of them under 6. It's lunacy at home. But Jack sort of was very against that. So